Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, breakout yesterday, and rather annoying because I did step away from it because it was going pretty much nowhere towards the end of the week. And flag breakout, and I have a feeling that the target is pretty close. That would be our measured move target, and 54.80 is where we are now. So 5500 obviously is the target. 55.12 at the moment. So for me at the moment, we're looking for longs, we're looking for the pullbacks, and we want to get in on the action. So that's our flag. Let's get, okay, we have a target, just get rid of that. And what you want to do is get some structure in, and you're looking for a pullback onto structure. Now, I'm not so sure we're going to get it. You look at the oscillators, we are a little bit tired, but normally what happens in a situation like this is it just grinds itself higher to hit the target. It may fall a little bit short. Let's see where we got to. We got to 44.95, typical ambush area. So you may actually find that it gets to 5500. So I will put 5500 onto your chart, and then your measured move at 55.12, 55.15 is the flag measured move. But my preferred trade at the moment is pullback, test some structure, and then we can get going. So when you look at yesterday, there was no real indication that we were on our way. You can see that's a little bit messy. The flag is actually very messy, but you can see broke through the structure to the left. There was 3 days of that, almost 4 days of it before breaking up, and now we're forming another flag. So preferred structure for me is very, very simple. We have another flag forming, so if I put this in, or you can put the level, you can put the straight level in here of there. That is 54.76. So this could also be a flat top triangle, but if you look at the oscillators at the moment, I don't think that's going to materialize. It's 173 points. So 173 would come down into no man's land, but nevertheless, that is still something you need to bear in mind. So the right way to play this is one of two things. So I just want to put another level in here because this could get a little bit messy. So the right way to play it is this thing breaks. It tests 5500. It won't break through there on the first attempt. It'll come back to find structure. So that's what I would wait for. I'd wait for a retest of either 54.89 or 54.82, possibly even 54.76. If we break through 54.76, then I would expect either the measured move, but I would prefer 54.50 as my next target area. You can see between 54.50 and 54.43, that would be a relatively nice area for a long setup for me. So that's kind of the two options that I'm looking at. Definitely not looking at shorts. It's either a break of this current little 15-minute flag, actually on the hour as well. So it's either a break of that flag for another measured move, and this measured move would be 680 points. So from wherever the bottom of the flag comes, but at the moment there's no indication that the bottom is in, so we could just drift sideways or just drift a little bit lower. Now the DAX is running on the opposite direction at the moment, so this morning session could see it pull back a little bit before the US session, and then everybody wakes up and gets going. There's a Brooks gap here, so this tail, although it's not a fractal, is an option, which is 54.68. Okay, lots of levels here, believe it or not, even though we're at all-time highs. So we're waiting for a pullback. We're waiting for either a pullback onto structure and then a nice decent pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bar, or we're looking for a break of this little flag and a pullback to test the break, and then we're looking for a move up. 5500 would be a profit area, 5512 would be a profit area, but then once we're through there, you are looking for this measured move from yesterday. And it's going to be difficult to put it in, so I'll just put it in off this level at the bottom here. Makes the most sense. And 5540. So I would actually just pretty much ignore that and aim for 55.50. But anyway, that's kind of my view for today. You're looking for the opportunities to be long, you're looking for the pullbacks and the retest, or alternatively, you're looking for the break and retest before you get in on this. So that's kind of my setups for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.